Yes, hi guys, thank you so much for coming back in yet a very interesting illustrations, and today we are going to check how do you check your travel ban in Qatar. Most of you have been asking me a lot of questions. How do you check your travel ban? How can I check my travel ban? Yes, it's quite very simple. I told you the most very important aspect that definitely you need to understand as an individual here in Qatar is what you call the Ministry of Interior portal, which is the government portal that has all the services. Yes, in today let's try to navigate and see how definitely can you check if you have a travel ban in Qatar. It's quite very easy, very simple. It's very easy that you can check the Ministry of Interior. You can check the travel ban in Qatar using two. However, something that you need to understand, there are two methods that definitely you can use. There is checking using the Ministry of Interior portal. There is also checking using what you call the Metrash. But I told you, when you look at the Metrash, then most of the times you need to check using the Metrash if you're already in Qatar, because you'll be able to receive what you call the OTP, or before you exit Qatar, it will be very easier for you. And then you can check if you have a travel ban, definitely it will display. If it is the travel ban is there, then definitely it will show there is what you call a travel ban. If there is no travel ban, it will definitely show no data phone. But in this case, since I'm using the Ministry of Interior portal, I want to show you definitely how you can check using anywhere. You can check from anywhere outside the country. You can check anywhere, so long as you have internet. You can be able to check whether you have a travel ban. Most of these cases, you've given people some sums of money for them to check for you if you have what you call a travel ban, and yet it's quite very easy. We are still using what you call the Ministry of Interior portal to be able to check for what we call a travel ban. Yes, in this case we have this, and definitely this is what is going to have. This is what is going to say. Yes, we welcome to the Ministry of Interior. We have the inquiries, we have the e-services, then the MOI forms, then we have the visa. But in this case, it is something that definitely very simple. In this case, we are not going to go to what we are not going to. We are not looking for the visas. We are not looking for anything. We are looking at what to call the travel ban. So we'll go to the services, and once you click on the services here, this is what is going to display. It will take you Arabic to English. So if you are Arabic speaker, you can use Arabic speaker. If you are English speaker, then tap, it will translate. So it is translating the whole document for us in this case. So this is what is going to give us. So when we come here, when we try to go here, this is what it shows us. Okay, traffic, citizen, travel notices. Yes, public establishments. Remember, we looked at this one, but in this case, we are looking at what you call travel ban. You know, most of these services here, these are all restriction services: security, civil defense, traffic services, accommodations, whether you are supposed to live with a man and a man, you have marriage certificate, recruitment, entry visas, citizens, security system, defense, security, suppliers, seeing, certifications. So all these are reports are regarding to what you call quality and security of the country. Events and occasions, early warnings, you have early warnings, there's early warnings, like for example, you have silence going on, definitely, this is what definitely to have. So in this case, we are going to look at, we are looking for the travel ban. It's quite very easy. Just come and tap what you call the inquiry. So we need to inquire from this section. Okay, it will still give you, it will tell you Arabic to English. You translate. If you're Arabic speaker, you can translate in that regard. So let's try to translate what we call our documents. Remember, I told you we are using what we call the smart technology. So we say translate, you say undo, translate the document. Yes. No, it's already, the document is there, and this is what is going to give you. So when we come here, it will show inquiry about certificate of good conduct. You can try to inquire. If you have a problem with the police and your certificate of good conduct, they are not able to issue your PCC certificate, you can come to inquire from here. What could be the problem? Maybe you have been a wrongdoer, or you have a case with police, or you've committed crimes before. Yes, you can inquire if it is not printed out. Yes, inquire about a travel ban. This is where we have. You can inquire about your travel ban. You can inquire about the personal data. If your data, let's say for example, you need to check out someone, you have someone's ID, you can try to check about personal data here. But sometimes it will require you to have some restriction. This inquire about establishment. You need to search about the company, whether the company closed or whether there are some issues with the company. Most of you you've applied to companies. You go to apply to a company, but you don't know even the details about the company. You can still search about the company. What is the back? Is it a good company? And that's where most of us will go into too much trouble. So definitely, you find this is quite very useful and very important. When you come to the Ministry of Interior portal, remember when we are talking about this, it only requires what you have, what you call internet, and you to be able to sit down, relax and check. Okay, let's try to check. Our main emphasis was about travel ban. You see, it's even giving you travel ban. When we tap the travel ban, this is what it's going to tell you. Okay, yes, when I tap, they try to translate the document and see what's mistake. You must log in first. How does it come? So in this case, yes, when we come here, we need to log in. That is where the problem comes in. So no one can check for you a travel ban. On another phone, no one can check for you because it will require what you call login. So when it comes to login, this is where it comes. Are you seeing? It will require documentation, or it will require what we call a Qatar digital identity. That's why most of you been scripted. So someone say, I'm going to remove your travel ban, I'm going to remove for you the travel ban. How he can remove the travel ban? He needs to log in first. He have documentation. Okay, let's try to log in by digital. This is what it's going to give us. Okay, so when it gives us this, it will require to enter your personal number, your mobile number. It will require to enter your personal ID. It will require to enter what you call your verification. So then after you need to continue, then it will give you the details. Apart from that, it cannot. That's why most of the times I keep on telling people, it should be in Qatar very easy. Your number will receive what you call an OTP in that regard. And it will be very easy for you to check in that same. So this is what definitely you should understand as an individual. If you are checking, okay, we try to go back very fast again. We go to e-services again, as we say. Okay, so when we come to e-services, it will tell you login. Okay, so if you need to log in, you need what you call a Qatar digital identity for you to check a travel ban. Then also sometime, okay, let's try to tap on the documentation and see. This is where it comes in. Yes, most of you have been telling you there's what you call TAUQI, a national authentication system. You must open an account with the national authentication system. For those people that are changing sponsorship, this is where the problem comes in. It is opening what you call an authentication. You need to put a user number, the passport number. You already open an account. You can use what you call your username, then the password. Then it will give you a one-time password or an email verification code, then tracking. Then after you have to tap. When you tap, it will definitely retrieve your information and it will definitely have to show you. Hope I've tried to share something for you. For a person who was actually asking me regarding to the same course, and definitely as an individual, that's what you definitely need to know, and that's how you can definitely be able to check what you call your travel ban in Qatar using what you call the Ministry of Interior website, or using the Metrash, of which the Metrash, you must be in the country to be able to receive what you call an OTP in that regard. Hope I've tried to share something for you. Remember, a travel ban is not a restriction, is not a break, and sometimes you can have an entry prevention in that case, but which may not be a travel ban because you are being restricted to come back in the country for a specific period of time only. Hope I've tried to share something for you. Thank you so much. Remember, always it's Mex from the Mexcreation TV, trying to give you this very kind of information and definitely to help you navigate through the intricacies of living in Qatar, and definitely as an individual, how you can be able to move on. Thank you so much. See you yet again in another video, in other illustrations to try a practical guide to help you survive and to help you live in Qatar. Thank you so much. By the way, if you find the videos very interesting, don't hesitate to subscribe and don't hesitate to support. Any small time that I'll definitely be able to get, I'll be able to give you the information and I'll be able to share you the information at no cost. Remember, it's Mex from the Mexcreationtv. Don't forget to go and subscribe to my TikTok account, my YouTube account. When you go to I say you say Mex Creation. When you come to Mexcreationtv, yes, Mexcreationtv here. It's my YouTube account, Mexcreationtv. It will definitely show you when you come and tap Mexcreationtv. It will show you Mexcreation, and this is my YouTube account. and definitely it's going to display. Yes, it displays. This is Mexcreationtv. So this is my YouTube account. You can go and subscribe, you can go and support, and this is definitely as an individual. This is what I'm trying to show you when it comes to the regard the law and everything that definitely as an individual you need to find. Yes, you'll find all these videos here. All the latest videos, you'll find them here, and they are going to help you to make sure that you can navigate when you go to the playlist. Also, you can be able to see all this kind of information, Qatar visa updates. It will definitely show you a lot of videos, and when we tap here, it will show you a lot of videos, and definitely you can see how to live in Qatar, in see Qatar visa application before you leave Qatar, termination. So definitely go to my account and definitely be able to support me in that regard. Thank you so much, and see you again in yet another video.